Hey, SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com, and I am in the SHOVELHEADFFEJ, and today I have got the best intro I ever did for a video. Okay, I ain't got nothing today. Shovelhead, actually, this is where I keep all my bikes. Most of these bikes are going to be a part of the giveaway. Giveaways. I got one more bike. I got that first bike I have to give away, which I've been trying to give away, is my 19. That's the first bike that's going to start it off, and I can't do anything until that bike is gone. So if you go to SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com, $25 ticket for a Sportster L 1200 with 3,500 miles. So it has the everything original on it. Might even have the original fuel in it.
Nope.
Probably not. But anyway, SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com. Go there. Get a ticket, $25. Got to get this thing done. Got to get it sold. That shovelhead, that iron head, not that one. Probably this 2002 twin cam police bike that is super fast, has everything in it that needs to be done. It's a great bike. There's another bike hidden back over there. But anyway, looking forward to the new year. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I had a great Thanksgiving. It's freaking cold. This is a super short video because I'm cold. And tomorrow, Chopper Rod, and actually a couple of subscribers were going to go on a ride. He picked tomorrow, which 2 days ago it was nice and warm. Now it's freaking freezing. So, yeah, and I hate cold, man. Florida cold. Florida cold, cold as hell. And Florida hot as hell. Anyway, of course, we got the t-shirts, got the hoodies, we've got the koozies, we got the, man, I even got a flag. Got the flag. SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com, yeah. I'm selling you stuff right now. I know I don't have no how-to videos or anything else like that. Haven't been in the shop working on next year's stuff today, working on some new designs for t-shirts. Our t-shirts are super limited, our hoodies and stuff like that. Trying to get all new designs for next year, which is coming up in, I don't know, 30 days. And started a new business, which I'll tell you guys about it in a little bit, in a couple videos from now. Anyway, super short video. Please sign up, go to SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com. And get the tickets, $25 for a motorcycle. It goes for a good cause. Me, I'm a good cause. And you know, you have a chance, you have a 1 in 500 chance of winning a motorcycle. If you buy 2 tickets, I'm no mathematician. I know that your chances are better. And we do have some that have bought 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 tickets and stuff like that. So we're so close to getting rid of the motorcycle. It took a lot longer than I thought it was because it's a Sportster. Nobody wants a Sportster, you know, whatever, man. It's a $25 bicycle, motorcycle. I'm out. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'm kind of like right in this light right here. One of the things that I really hated about, hang on, there I am. One of the things that I've hated about YouTube is YouTube, in my personal opinion, as a full-grown man, sucks. It's just one of the fakest places I've ever seen. You know how you meet somebody, almost everything that you see on YouTube is not real. I know a lot of YouTubers, you meet them and you know, and they're nothing like what you see on the video, both male and female. A lot of fakes out here. And I almost started to consider myself that. I've almost started to like, man, I just don't want to do YouTube anymore. Because I just don't want to be a part of it, you know? It's like with YouTube, there has to be always this fantastic thumbnail of some girl's butt or boobs, and then some compelling, almost clickbait title to where I've got to get you to watch. I've got to basically be a circus clown and get you to watch, and then I'm lying, they're lying, because I try not to have those type of titles. But I decided one of the things that I'm going to do is, listen, I got 10,000 viewers. That's what I wanted. That was my goal. I've achieved that goal. As far as any fantastic titles about, you know, will it make it home? Bought a motorcycle. Will it make it home? Yes, it will make it home. It's how you got the video. Did I survive? Yes, you survived. You know. And then all the filly-dilly thumbnails and all that, I'm just not going to do it. I'm just going to put a regular thumbnail on there, and I'm just going to put a regular title about what the film is or what the video is about, and that's it. I'm over all that. I'm over all the. I'm trying to see if you can. Yeah, there you go. I got my feet in the video. I'm tired of all the sensationalism. I'm tired of, you know. Hey, good for you. You've got 300,000 gazillion subscribers because you spent all that time on a thumbnail and spent all that time on some bullshit title. I'm not going to do it anymore because I'm just sick of it, man. I get sick of things real easy and I get very, very bored. And so I'm just rambling. Look, if you're looking, you know, I'll still do my little fiddly diddly videos, my little artistic, my artsy fartsy ones every once in a while. But as far as, like I said, the thumbnail and title, I'm just not doing it no more. I am so over. I'm over it. You know, there are hundreds of YouTube motorcycle, and I can count on one. I can count on two hands the ones that I met. They're really the real deal, true guys and all that stuff. And there's a lot of fakes out there, and I don't want to be associated with them. And I say fakes. They're not the nice person or the nice lady that you see on YouTube on the videos. They're, you know. Anyway, I got nothing. Later. I can't stand that woman. I think she's as fake can be. Look, I want to like everyone, but there's just some fucking people I don't like.